In this video, we're going to take a look at the Lombok and IntelliJ error. And you can see on this entity, I have the data annotation that should be setting all my getters and setters. But obviously right here, I'm trying to use get name and it's not able to find it. So let's take a look at 3 different things you can check out to see what's going on with this. The first one's going to be your dependencies. Obviously make sure you actually have the Lombok dependency. Here it is right here on my project. And another option you could do for this is go into your Maven and do a clean and install. Maybe your dependency is not actually installed. I know I run into this issue with VS Code. I haven't run into it too much with IntelliJ. So you can see right here, it's successfully installed all the dependencies. Now, the next thing that is recommended is to make sure you have the Lombok plugin. So you go to your IntelliJ, you go into your plugin, and then in the plugin search, you just type Lombok. So I already have it installed, but it's still not working, right? In this example, I uncheck it, recheck it, I'm just trying to reinstall it, but I still couldn't get my project to work after this. If you didn't have it installed, then make sure you install it, hit apply, and then see if this fixes the issue for you. So right here, I'm reinstalling it. I'm gonna hit OK. I'm gonna try and run the project again, but obviously I'm still getting the issue. The final thing to check is back in your settings. We're gonna look at the compiler and annotation processor. As you look at this, you can see my default settings are different than this project settings. So what I'm gonna do is check the boxes to make sure that it is actually getting it from the class path, not the processor path. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rerun my project, and it looks like that was my issue. All right, hope this fixed it for you. Please give me a like and subscribe. See you next time.